Meditation for releasing anxiety. Find yourself in a relaxed pose. Make sure that all your muscles are able to relax as you begin your journey. Close your eyes and begin to let go. You are about to take a journey to a place where you are safe, where you are free of anxiety, of worry, of doubt. A place where you can remember who you are. Remember. Remember. Begin to breathe a little deeper, connecting your surroundings and your body through your breath. With each breath, relax your muscles and your body more and more. Surrender to the experience. With each breath, allow your soul to travel deeper and deeper. I'm going to count you down from 10. When we get to 1, you'll find yourself surrounded by a beautiful field of grass. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the next breath, inhale the aroma of the surroundings, the fresh air. Realize now that you are lying on a soft bed of grass. The sun is shining gently on your skin. You are comfortable, relaxed, and ready to let go. As you breathe, become aware of any tense areas around your body and use the breath to release those areas. Let go and relax. As you lie there connecting with your body, realize that you are your environment. There is no separation between you and the air, between you and the grass that you lie on. With each breath, allow your consciousness to become aware of how far your soul goes. It does not stop at your body. It does not stop at the grass. It does not stop at the sky. You are your surroundings. As you lie there, breathing, relaxing, becoming one, noticing things around you, the colors, the movement. Also realize there is no separation between your creation and yourself. You are a perfect being, living at the perfect time, under the perfect circumstances. Everything you attract into your environment and surroundings is a part of you. Relax and breathe. Begin to stand. As you stand, look around. Pick a direction to walk in. As you walk, notice what draws your attention in the surrounding areas. Feel the grass under your toes. Feel the air as it brushes against your skin. Off into the distance, you see a light. Begin to walk towards that light. Breathe. Let go. With each step you take, release any worry, any anxiety, any doubt into the grass below you. See as the light that you're walking towards is growing bigger. This is your destiny before you. The destiny filled with your authentic self, with your desires, your goals, your dreams and aspirations. As you walk towards the light, realize that with each step, you are letting go of fear, doubt, worry, and you are walking towards your destiny. Your destiny is waiting for you. Your dreams are a part of you, just like your experiences and your environment. All created by you, for you, and with you. As you step a foot away from the white light, you understand that your destiny and desires have been waiting for you as much as you have waited and reached for them. They too have been waiting for your development, your energy, and your wisdom, so that they too can be born into the world of the physical. Begin to step into the light. Feel and see as the light surrounds you, and hold you in a safe place. Feel the vibration that is created when you and your desires connect. As you feel what it's like to be surrounded by the white light of your true self, you become aware that your worry and anxiety, your doubt and your fear were illusions created by your separation to Source. You now don't feel how possibly you could have felt those things when you are backed by such a wonderful, wise, and caring Source. As you stand there surrounded by this safe white light, you realize that all your anxieties and worries have melted away, knowing that you have always been in the perfect moment, in the perfect time and situation to reach for your dreams. We're going to step out of the area with the white light. Now step forward out of the white light, knowing that you carry with you all the potential that you felt while surrounded by it. Step out. Begin to walk forward where you see a grassy area and lie down. I'm going to count you up to 10, and with each count, begin to bring yourself back to this physical world, knowing that you are magnificent, that you are capable, that you are supported, loved, and guided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Begin to move your toes and fingers. Allow your soul to sit comfortably in your body as you return to your surroundings. Carry with you throughout the day this experience of being supported by your Creator. You are perfect. Namaste.